Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Moby token, Moby AI. Name of the token is Moby AI, ticker symbol is Moby, M-O-B-Y. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain. I saw it trending last night in the Solana section. Token pair was actually just created 18 hours, 10 minutes ago on Raydium. It's trending number 8 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. Trending number 3 is Mac, the meowing cat token. I'm going to upload a video on Mac today. And another very popular one, trending number 4 is Concho, which is Hispanic Pepe on the Solana blockchain. That one's trending number 4. And I posted a video on that yesterday, so make sure you check out those other two very popular Solana meme coins. But this token, the Moby AI token, has an insane trading volume. It's up a significant amount, huge market cap, and it just got at least 2 very big central exchange listings today. And we're going to go over the information on the Moby token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token here, the Moby AI token, which is based off the Moby agent, just got listed today, January 14th at 8 a.m. UTC time on a central exchange called XT.com or XT Exchange. And they also got listed 8 a.m. today on Bitmart. So those are 2 very big central exchange listings just today. So if you are looking to get this token here and you don't have a Bitmart or XT account, you can download Bitmart or XT from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT. Then you would go into the trade section either on XT.com or on Bitmart, and you would search MOBY, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here at Moby Agent, and it says your artificial intelligence co-pilot for crypto, powered by at Asset Dash and at Whale Watch Alert and Griffane.com. So I did do a video recently on Griffane, all having to do with AI agents, and there was another very popular token that had to do with Griffane as well. I can't remember the name now, but big project anyways, huge following. And you can see that they have the contract address also right there on the Twitter. Now it ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. Now this Twitter has 85 posts so far. They just joined January 2025, brand new project. Already 9,042 Twitter followers, so they have a very big following here. And you could find the listing announcement for Bitmart on Bitmart's Twitter, which is at Bitmart Exchange. And then you could find the other one for XT at XT Exchange on Twitter as well. Now it says there is a total supply of 1 billion Moby tokens. They don't really have, according to Bitmart here, a web page. All they have is the Twitter. Now, if you go over to DEX Screener and you look up the web page there, it'll just take you over to the pump.fund page where this token was created there. And there's, there's a tiny bit of information on there, but not much. And besides that, you can check out some info on their Sol scan. So it says 6 decimal places on this token. First mint January 13th. Started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token. So right now the current supply is 999,999,244 tokens. Their market cap is $40 million right now. And token price is about 4 cents per token. And on their Sol scan, you could find links to Bird Eye, Gecko Terminal, Rug Check, Photon, Dex Screener, Bubble Maps, and Dex Tools. So all the links are on their Sol scan there. And we're going to check out their Rug Check in a second here. Make sure everything's all good with that. They also have a couple quick audits that you can find on Dex Tools and Dex Screener. One's by GoPlus Security. Now, they only got 82 out of 99 on their Dex score because they lost some points for information because there's only a Twitter, there's no web page, there's no Telegram, etc. But they did get a good audit here by Quick Intel Security. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, contract is not freezable, and no other risks. Now, in the past 24 hours, this token is up 55,669%. Doing very well here. Token pair was just created 18 hours ago. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $84.6 million. They've had 105,423 transactions just today. Market cap is $40.8 million. And their fully diluted valuation is the same. They have $935,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 99.79% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, maybe you don't want to use a central exchange, or maybe XT or Bitmart is not available in your country, you can also get this token off of Raydium by funding your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet with Sol. You could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC, and you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your Sol for this token using that contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium. And that's about it. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.